global conclave is the 7th global conclave of the PRCI. Incidentally, the first conclave was also in Hyderabad, and the 7th one also is being held in Hyderabad at the Hotel Park. We are expecting about 350 to 400 delegates from India and abroad. Some of the very, very eminent speakers are going to address the various sessions. We have about 5 sessions spread over 2 days. We are having some of the best and very eminent speakers. We are hoping that the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh will inaugurate the conclave. We are yet to get the confirmation. Hopefully by tomorrow we should know. Mr. H.S. Brahma, who is the Election Commissioner of India, is the guest of honor in the inaugural. And then we have the sessions on the first day, and then in the afternoon we have the Hall of Fame induction, wherein the chief guest is Mr. N. Uttam Kumar Reddy. He is the Honorable Minister for Housing, and the guest of honor is Dr. Sunaina Singh. She is the Vice Chancellor of English and Foreign Languages University. The next day we have sessions in the morning, and then in the evening we have the Corporate Collateral Awards. We have different topics like communication and good governance, and then we have experiential communication, an effective PR tool, and then advertising versus public relations. So these are the kind of major topics that we are going to dwell on. So it is going to be very interesting basically, because we are covering topics from communication, from PR, from advertising, from media related. So we have a range of topics that are going to be covered and taken up by some of the very eminent speakers from the country and abroad. So we look forward to very, very interactive and very good sessions through these 2 days. And we hope that we will get good support from the media and from our friends from the communication industry and from the people at large. The PR, in the last few years has gained tremendous importance, which actually was not being, taken very seriously. But of late, understanding the importance that the PR is playing in the lives of people, the PR is being taken as a profession is being taken very seriously. And a lot of people are actually very keen to join this profession, and we hope that in the years to come it is going to have a very, very important role to play in the management of any company, in fact. So we are actually trying to see that the PR professionals are given due importance that they deserve in strategy formulation and such like activities, planning and such like things. So this is what is one of the aims that the PR industry is trying to do. We hope that the industry gives recognition to such professionals, and because ultimately it's going to benefit the corporate world. No, see, that is there, of course. First we want to tell people, we want to give the importance, let the people know the importance of PR. So once that thing is understood and realized, it is then when probably we'll go in for actually having proper institutions and such like things. So until then we would like to propagate what PR is all about, and only then take up the issue of having proper institutions for having PR. For the time being, we want to spread the message of to the people that yes, PR is very important. We need to understand the importance of PR. Once that has been done, once that has been ingrained into the minds of the people, probably then thereafter we will get on with actually institutionalizing this PR industry.